Alright. Today we start endurance training. So usually in the Wudang training we are used to hold positions for a longer time. When we practice the Qigong and Tai Chi, we learn about efficient breathing. Now we learn about holding a posture as long as possible, which is also a part of how efficient you take in oxygen. Okay? So the first exercise consists in interval training to make this possible. Our first position is like you lie the leg on here and you keep holding the posture. Yeah? Holding here the posture. Okay? And you keep holding. Yeah? 2 minutes. I just see this is not very stable, so probably one from the other side and one from this side, maybe we'll stable it out, you know. And you keep holding. Do not try to go through, you know, and do not try to go too high. Yeah? Try to lie as flat as possible. After the 2-minute interval, we push the hand up. You know? Push the hand up. Okay? And then we try again. Okay? So please go into your positions. I am ready with the 2-minute timer. Lie the leg up and hold yourself. Be careful, it's not very stable construction. But this also makes sense because you have to be careful that you keep holding. Rico, try more flat. Everybody ready in position? Okay, everybody? So, we're holding the 2-minute timer, okay? Breathe. Breathe normally. Very good. Try to breathe slow, okay? Slow breathing. And try to keep the position, try to keep the tension. If it feels like fire, you need consistent breathing. In a Wudang, students hold this for punishment around 1 hour, okay? Then the head is very red. So it basically strengthens your circulation and your heart, okay? Keep holding, we have half time. Keep holding, breathing. Almost 2 minutes. Relax, relax. 30. $25. Keep holding, keep holding. Don't shake so much. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, higher the hip. 19, 18, 17, hip high, push up, Rico. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, higher, higher. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have exactly 2 minutes. Okay, relax. And now we go in circle. Push up. And the hands stay at, the elbow stays shoulder high. Okay? So keep pushing up. Push up strong. Yeah. Relax the breathing. Push up. We go slow rounds. 3 times. Ellbogen bleibt über den Schultern. Ja. Don't put the elbow under the shoulder. Keep turning and step and push up every time. Ellbogen oben halten. Yes. Go. And turn the body. Turn hip. Turn the hip. Yeah, upper body. Turn. Yes. Yeah. Enjoy the movement. Yes. Breathe. Push up strong. The second round is usually much more painful because we have lack of oxygen in the arms. All right, we go into position. Again, 2 minutes. Übrig. And we go. So, try breathing, okay? Now arms have no oxygen. This is endurance training. We need endurance training. So the muscle fiber get longer. We stretch the muscle fiber, okay? Breathe slowly. Don't shake. Be careful because the construction is not strong, okay? Breathing half time, okay? Keep holding, holding. The tension in the shoulder. Yeah? Keep holding and breathe consistent. Keep holding. Don't think, just hold. Breathe. Long breath. Breathe in, breathe out, slow. It's like a Qigong, like in Qigong breathing. Very good. 30 seconds, almost finish. Now keep holding. $25, $24, $20, keep holding, almost. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay. Everybody walk circle. Now we have only one more round, okay? So walk circle slowly and push up the hand. Very good. Push up, yes. Ellbogen bleiben über den Schultern. Bleib mit den Ellbogen hier über den Schultern, okay? Ja, so. Ja. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nicht weiter runter mit den Ellbogen. Ja? Elbow, stay shoulder high. Okay, relax and go into posture one last time. This is the third time now, okay? If everybody is successful, this exercise is complete. If not, we make one more round. Okay, everybody, go position, breathing. Careful, construction, not stable. Everybody, so. And we're going, yes. Keep holding, breathing, very good. Sometimes when it becomes very tired, we usually shift the hands. So we usually stand on one hand, then on the other, so one side can relax. This is how you endure punishment for hours. Then you keep switching from hand to hand, you know. Almost half time. Usually you should be able to hold this for at least half hour or 1 hour. Keep holding, almost finish. We have 40 seconds. This is similar when we practice handstand, you know. When you know handstand, you keep holding handstand, you know this tension. 30 seconds. This is other kind of power. Yeah? It makes the muscle fibers long so they become oxygen efficient and you don't become tired from this posture. 25. 𝐸𝐲, keep holding, we almost have it. 20 seconds. 𝐸𝐲, come on. Keep holding. 17, 16, 15, keep holding. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, keep holding. Don't. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we go. And we go. Go up. And we go circle. We go circle. So, move. Breathe slowly. Very good. Okay, I put this away. One more round, walk one more circle, okay. Push up, yeah. Ricco höher die Hände. Okay. Relax. Relax. Okay. Line up here. And we're using this movement you see here. We go into push-up position and we use the body tension to jump forward. You see here. We use body tension, yes, and jumping. Till finish, okay? 𝐸𝐲, line up here. Don't stand up, stay push-up position, okay? So, go. Oh, he's professional. 𝐸𝐲, very good. If you can, try your feet close. Your feet close, okay? Oh. 𝐸𝐲. Ricco, go. Go. 𝐸𝐲. Go. When you finish, you can go back. 𝐸𝐲. Very good. Go. Very good. Use the core. We need the core strength, you know. Use core strength. Jump forward. Yes, very good.
Finding the right coordination.
Yes, you can do more. Ricco, come on. Go back. Zurückspringen. 𝐸𝐲. Keep breathing and bounce with the core. Keep the core stable. 𝐸𝐲, yes, very good. 𝐸𝐲. Go. Yes. Yeah, try your posture more flat a bit. You're a bit too high. Go, Ricco, go. 𝐶𝐢𝐝, komm. Nicht die Füße zusammen. Stay blank. Ja. Go. Breathe slowly. Now we try the lizard walk, or mountain climbers is called, you know. Now we do it like this, you see. You turn the fingers inside and make the elbow round, okay? And you go like this. You turn inside and make it round. Yep. Turn, step. Turn, step. Huh? Go, turn, step. Huh? Go like this. Huh? And then we finish here. So basically, when you step, the knee connect. Step, knee connect. Okay? You try. 𝐶𝐢𝐝. Yes. Okay. Again, go back. Goodbye. So. Finger zeigen nach innen, ja. One more round. Goodbye. So. Try to stay in a round angle, huh? And walk like this. When you look, then you turn. Last time. Goodbye. So. Fingers inside. Okay, relax. Please now drink something, then we start with the Kung Fu training.